Imagine a single line that ties every prayer in your heart. Let's uncover it together. Welcome, dear learner. I'm glad you're here. The line we study is, Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Each word has a clear role. Iyaka is you alone. It comes from the root iwk, meaning to be unique. The prefix I indicates the object of the verb. Nabudu means we worship. It is the first person plural of the verb to worship. The verb is in the present tense, showing a continuous action. Wa is simply and. It joins the two halves. Nasta'inu means we ask for help. The root SWA is to ask. The prefix neri shows we. The second person suffix nu serves as a reminder that the help is sought from the one addressed. Together, the verse tells us that we worship and seek help only from the one we address. It is the pivot of Al-Fatiha. It balances praise and supplication. Listen again as I pronounce each word slowly. Let's see how this pattern appears elsewhere. 1. In Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 2, Nahnu nasta'ilu, we read nasta'ilu as we ask help. 2. In Surah Al-An'am, verse 29, Wa nasta'ina nu'min, here we again use nasta'in, we ask. 3. In Surah Yunus, verse 24, Nunsiku wa nata'amatu, the verb nata'amatu, we seek, mirrors our pattern. 4. In Surah Al-A'raf, verse 76, Nasta'im, meaning we seek enjoyment, also begins with nasta'in. 5. In Surah Yunus, verse 15, Nunqidi, we are told we do not ask, a contrast that reminds us of the importance of the request. Notice how each begins with the prefix ni and ends with a suffix that refers back to the divine. This is the hallmark of humble supplication. Now repeat after me. I will say 2 times, then you say them once. Let's go. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. You. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Excellent. Try it again, breathing slowly through the sentence. Remember the rhythm. Long, short, long, long, short. Today we learned that the line Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in is the bridge of Al-Fatiha. It unites worship with request. In our next lesson, we will explore the closing verses 5-7. They show how the prayer that starts with praise ends in a plea for guidance. Until then, keep practicing this balance.